Okay, this is part 2 of today's lesson. There's many ways to graph a line. This is used a lot in upper level math, and it's finding the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Intercept means where does it cross? Intersection, crossing. So x-intercept means where does it cross the x-axis? Y-intercept means where does it cross the y-axis? Now let's randomly pick a point. What would this point be, my students? That's right, 3, 0. What's this point? 5, 0. What's this point? Negative 3, 0. Very good. Now notice what's happening. Y has to be 0 to be on the x-axis because that means you went up or down, none. So what has to be true to be on the y-axis? Let's pick a point, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, negative 1. So what has to be true to go straight up and straight down is that x is 0. So to find the x-intercept, you let y equal 0. To find the y-intercept, you let x equal 0. So actually, of all the graphing, this should be about the easiest. So let's look at a problem. I have x plus 2y equals 4. Oh, it's written in ax plus by equals c. Number times x plus or minus number times y equals number. So that is a line. That's called linear line. Linear, which is a line. So x-intercept. So I'm going to put 0 in for y. So to find an intercept, always put 0 into the other variable. So I'd have x plus 2 times 0 equals 4. So x equals 4. So my x-intercept is 4. Y-intercept, here we go. Put 0 into the other variable, x. So 0 plus 2y equals 4. So divide by 2, because the 0 affects nothing. So y equals 2. Now, when it says x-intercept 4, I'm going to use this graph up here. So that means right here at 4, positive 4 on the x-axis. Y-intercept of 2 would be 2 on the y-axis. Now, what ordered pair corresponds with x-intercept of 4? Well, that would be 4. And then what number did I put in for y? 0. So y-intercept, that would be 0, 2. Okay, so connect the dots. Now for this, you only need 2 points. The other way, the plug and chug method, I make you do 3 just because it looks prettier. So this one. So, okay. So x-intercept, put 0 in for y. Always the other one, because we don't want to move in that direction to find the x-intercept. We don't want to move in the y direction. Find the y-intercept. We do not want to move in the x direction. So add 6, divide by 3. So the x-intercept is 2, which corresponds to the point 2, 0. Now, unless asked, you don't have to write this, but I'm just trying to get you to remember that x-intercept of 2 is the same as the ordered pair 2, 0. Now, y-intercept. Put 0 in for x. Y equals 3 times 0 minus 6. 3 times 0 is 0 minus 6. It'd be negative 6 is the y-intercept. So I'm going to use the same line. Coordinate system, I apologize. Coordinate system. So 2, negative 6. Whee! So easy to graph this one. Okay, x-intercept, put 0 in for y. So 2x equals 9. This drops out. So x equals 9 halves or 4.5. Either way, be fine. Y-intercept, put 0 in for x. So minus 3y equals 9. So y equals negative 3. So to graph it, doink, 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 doink. Doink, 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 doink. Doink, 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 doink. So -3, put a dot, 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit more. Shajuja. Is that right, Trixie? So, I have, what do I have here? Find the x and y intercepts of all 4 of these. Of course, turn the video off. Then I will do them. So find the, now this one I have to warn you right now. Tricky. If you get this one, you didn't know it before, you are something special. So go ahead. Well, you turned me back on, so I'm assuming you can do it. So x-intercept, put 0 in for y, so that's 6. Y-intercept, put 0 in for x, so that'd be -2. This is whippy snappy, oh my goodness. X-intercept, put 0 in for y, so we got to do a little bit of work on this one, a little bit more of a challenge. So I'm going to add 1, multiply by 2. So the x-intercept is 2. Y-intercept, put 0 in for x, so it's just -1. Easy peasy chocolate cow. X-intercept, put 0 in for y, so 2x equals 12, so x is 6. Y-intercept, put 0 in for x, so that'd be 12/5. So 2 2/5 are 2.4. I do believe, if I'm thinking right. So now this one, tricky problem. But x equals 6 means the only number we're worried about is the first one, the abscissa. Yes, I said abscissa. So it'd be the 0.60. 61. Now, if you don't know this, that's okay. We're going to get really into this when we do Schlope tomorrow or soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. It's a vertical line. So all that matters is you go out to the right 6 units. That's all it's saying, because it says nothing about y. So x equals number is vertical. What do you think y equals number is? Good job. That's right, horizontal, because you're going up or down that amount and just staying there. So if I said y equals 1, there we would. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. There we go. So anyways, so the x-intercept would be 6. But the y-intercept, this is the tricky part, it never touches, so it would be none. None. Now, if you want to graph these, you can. Let's see how much time we got. Oh, we got about a minute. So let's see what we got here. Doinky, doinky. Let's see, we'll graph a couple. So 6, -2. -2 is the y. 6, 2, 4, 6. So 2, -1 is this one. So 2 and then -1. So 6 would be right 6. 12/5 would be up 2 and a little bit more. Now in a test, you may not put all your graphs on one. I wear glasses as it is, but to save a little time. So there it is. X and Y intercept should be hopefully easy peasy. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that's about it. Get your homework, get going, have some fun. Life is good. The quarter ends next week. Wow, it's October. Gonna go tricking and treating. I'm gonna say goodbye. Goodbye.